Hospital readmissions cost the healthcare system $17 billion annually. 20% of these readmissions are preventable with proper discharge planning. Introducing Smart Discharge Navigator, an AI-powered solution that provides real-time risk stratification and automated discharge planning, built on InterSystems Iris for Health. Smart Discharge Navigator features a 4-layer AI architecture, React front-end with chat interface, AI agent layer powered by OpenAI GPT-4 for clinical reasoning, fast API backend orchestrating AI and FHIR, InterSystems Iris as FHIR R4 platform. This is true AI intelligence, not just rules. GPT-4 analyzes patients, identifies hidden risks, and generates personalized discharge plans conversationally. The AI agent provides conversational clinical analysis. User asks, which patients have highest risk? AI responds, analyzed FHIR data. 3 high-risk patients identified. John Smith, age 72, 78% risk. 3 recent admissions, heart failure, COPD, 7 medications. Recommendation, intensive discharge support, and home health. AI explains reasoning, identifies patterns, provides actionable recommendations conversationally. Hybrid intelligence combines rules with AI insights. Patient John Smith. Both calculate 78% risk. Rules identify admissions, conditions, age. AI agent detects medication interactions, social isolation, non-adherence from FHIR data. AI catches what rules miss. Additional recommendations, social work consult, medication simplification. True intelligence needs both evidence-based rules and AI reasoning. Clicking Generate Plan creates a comprehensive FHIR-compliant discharge plan. The system generates an active care plan resource with high-priority tasks, medication reconciliation, follow-up scheduling within 7 days, home health referral, and patient education. The plan includes a complete medication list with dosing instructions, scheduled appointments with primary care and cardiology, and clear patient instructions covering medications, warning signs like chest pain or fever, and emergency contact information. The system integrates with InterSystems Iris using FHIR R4 resources: patient, encounter, condition, observation, medication request, care plan, and task. This solution directly addresses Contest Task 9, Hospital Readmission, Risk Workbench. Smart Discharge Navigator delivers rule-based risk scoring and auto-generates comprehensive care plans with detailed discharge instructions. Built for InterSystems Programming Contest 2026.